Hey there. So, let's dive into an interesting problem we have here. The problem revolves around a snippet of C++23 code where we start the lifetime of a struct named myData at a specific location in a buffer, modify a field of myData, and then send the buffer over a network. Now, the questions that arise are, is there any undefined behavior in this code? Can we access the original buffer as characters after modifying the field of myData? And should we use std launder to access the original buffer after sending it over the network? These questions lead us to explore the nuances of object lifetimes and aliasing in C++. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem. It's essential to understand that reusing the storage to create a new object does indeed in the lifetime of the old objects. While aliasing through char is allowed, you must have a validly derived pointer, which might not be the case here. Starting the lifetime of a new object of a different type ends the validity of all pointers into any part of that object. To access the original buffer as a char array after modifying myData and sending it over the network, you can use std launder to get a new valid pointer. In summary, it's important to handle object lifetimes and pointer validity with care in C++. Even though the code snippet may seem straightforward, the interplay between object lifetimes, aliasing, and pointer validity can lead to undefined behavior if not managed correctly. By following the rules and best practices outlined in the solution, you can ensure your code behaves predictably and avoids potential issues. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. Keep coding and stay curious.